Hi, baby. Mm. Oh, I woke up early. Um, before the birds even today. And then 4:30 approximately is when they start chirping. Well, screeching because they're lorikeets. And the nearest tree that they're roosting in would be maybe as far as 100 meters away. But there are so many. There are like thousands. So, yeah, they're pretty raucous. Um, today, today's a big day. I've managed to smuggle out a a little bit of sell money, and I bought a ticket. Maybe something will come of that. And countdown is, I think, less than 12 days now. I come home. I get released. That's exciting. Anyway, I have to get a move on and do the things that I have to do. Okay, I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.